From a hobbyist to a thriving artist challenge day 16. We talked about the importance of website and blog in my previous videos. And now I'm going to give you a very important tip about improving your traffic, improving your reach, and also your website. Please watch till the end because I'm keeping the best one to the end. First, if you're stuck about what to write about in your blogs, or what to paint about in your paintings, or what to talk about on your YouTube channel, you can always go to Google Trends, because Google Trends, when you enter the country, you can say world as well, but if you enter the city even, it will show what people have been talking about on that geography specifically. So let's say United States and Google Trends, and you can type in, I don't know, art or oil painting, and then when you click enter, then you will see all these keywords that people keep typing in Google related to that keyword you put in. Number 2 is Google AdSense. It's not Google Ads. Google Ads and Google AdSense are two different things. You pay to Google Ads and Google AdSense pays you. That's why I like it better. Once you build your clear and precise and beautiful website and you got your domain, then you can go in and Google AdSense and apply for getting ads. You can go to Google AdSense and fill out an application. If you get approved, then you can add all the advertisements on your website. Number 3 is Google Search Console. Once you connect your domain to Google Search Console, it shows you how your website performs on Google search, which keywords are driving traffic to your website, and if there's any error on any of your pages, you can see them right away if you connect your domain to Google Search Console. It also shows you how much impression you're getting every week or every day and how many clicks you are getting per day. It's a very, very detailed report. I really love spending time there, maybe too much. And the last one is Google Analytics. With Google Analytics, you can get so much information about demographics, on which days and what times people are mostly visiting your website, what's the traffic sources. I mean, are you getting more traffic from Instagram? Are you getting more traffic from Google search? Which countries people are from mostly, or is it only from one country or multiple countries, which would give you an opinion that, oh, maybe I should start the translate option on my Wix website. It also gives you information about loading times for your pages and which pages are more popular. So these are such valuable information. This is a perfect tool to improve your website. Also, if you know which page is getting the most traffic, you can put more ads there on that page to make more money. So today's task, guys, if you have a domain, I would love you to go to these Google tools and connect your domain to them, especially Google Analytics and Google Search Console. It might seem difficult at first, but once you're directed to the next step, you will see that it's not that difficult.